I want to pose a few questions to the crowd and to our community. And one is, can you imagine Peoria without I-74, without that critical infrastructure and what it's done for access, logistics, and manufacturing in our community? And then next, imagine the internet superhighway that lights up the desktop, palm top, in-car dashboards, computers, PDAs for the citizens of Peoria. And remember, not too long ago, AOL dial-up, and now we've got T3 connections here. Once you go high-speed fiber, you can't go back. Competing for this Google demonstration project should take on the same priority as we would take for a new interstate or new high-speed rail. It's a game changer for our community. In healthcare, we have an extremely high concentration of top-end facilities within just 1 mile of where we're meeting here today. If you walk down the halls at OSF St. Francis right now, for example, you'll see desktop, wall top, rolling computers every 5 or 10 feet, and they're not just for display. It's hard to imagine or quantify the information access needs of these devices alone until you add the tremendous bandwidth required for medical imaging. Now, we've talked a little bit about some of these issues of communication and some regular bandwidth use, but nothing sucks up bandwidth like three-dimensional gigabit medical imaging. And it is huge. It is a huge need, and we have this equipment in all the emergency rooms, radiology suites, operating rooms, robotic suites right now. So imagine the gigabits of information required to construct 3D images of the inside of our bodies. We do that right now. One difficulty we run into is how do we deliver these images across town, let alone across the country? And that is the issue. We have one advantage here already. We have an I-2 fiber coming down that's already high speed. The next thing is to get it door to door, business to business, building to building across this community. So this is only one example of the thousands of uses we have for a Google fiber network in our community. Imagine that in Peoria. Thanks.